rain, rain. I should have moved these guys yesterday, but I didn't. And so I might have to move them in the rain today because it's going to rain today and tomorrow. Unfortunately, our pond is nice and full because that gets a lot of the water that runs off our roof. It goes down, kind of have a covert built here, and then it just runs down the hill to the pond. So I better get to work and take care of Miss Pigglesworth. Make sure her fence is nice and hot. Come on, boys. But it is cold. Good morning, guys. It is a freezing cold day. I gotta get to work and not looking forward to trenching in the mud or walking through the mud to take care of the animals, but it's gotta be done. We don't get a break from this just because it's raining outside. So let's get to work. Okay, let's see if the fence is still hot. 6.8. Well, that's not very hot. Not very hot, Missy. I don't even have to fill up her water today. Get you your food. Get it away from your manure. This seems to be her pooping spot, so that spot probably won't be dug up a whole lot. Okay, there's your food. There's your food. Can you get off the gate so I can open it? Huh? Get down. It's pretty muddy in here, isn't it? Hey. Get down. Get down. Get down. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Did you see where I dumped it? Good girl. Okay. It's too bad our shelter's so muddy. I'll have to let Chris know. Maybe we'll move it when he gets home. Oh! It is a mud fest out here for sure. Hold on. Since the fence isn't that hot, I'll have to come out here a couple times and check on her today. The fence is probably losing a little power because of the very fact that it's been overcast for several days. So we'll have to really watch that. So, yep. Look at her eat. Really going for it. All right, see you, Missy. You got water, fresh water from the sky, just like we have in our house. It's awesome. Oh, and there's my Lone Ranger chicken. So today we just moved the chicken netting inside the fence. This is the areas where they have been, where the grass is really kind of torn out. And so I moved it from here to there, but they still have the safety of the fence. And so I have one more move I can do right in here tomorrow. And then we'll have to move them for sure. So I think I can get a couple more days out of this pasture, and hopefully we can do it within the time that make the move when it's not raining. So that will be good. So still got my chicken on the outs, and get this fence back on, and she just will not go in here. And she's the healthiest looking chicken of the bunch, so what can you say? I think she's been living on our porch though, however, on the straw. That isn't good, so hopefully she'll be okay. But she's getting plenty of bugs out here, and I gave her some scratch too outside. And that's it for today. Gotta get inside. Turned back on. Here we go. I don't know why it ticks. It says it's grounding out somewhere when it ticks, but I cannot get this fence not to tick. It's probably my things that I have hanging on the fence here. I know that it still gives a shock, but it grounds it out a little bit with these things on the fence, but I'm not taking those off because it keeps the hawks away. So, they're just CDs. And it does work. It does keep the hawks away. So, what can I say? Hi, Polly. Hi, Polly. Okay, I'm out here checking your fence. That's pretty good. Let's go check the pig's fence. And of course you're out here, huh? You're gonna go hang out under the porch. Let's see how her fence is doing. Because her fence is a 6. Her fence was a 6 this morning too. Where is she? Uh-oh. Probably behind. Oh no. This is Pigglesworth. Oh, there you are. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Hi. Hi, how you doing in this rain? You're working really hard. Well, let's check your fence, okay? Let me see. 4.4. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not happy with that. Hi, girl. Hi. Hi, my sweet girl. I know. I know. What were you out here doing? Oh, you're almost done this paddock, huh? Let me see if I can kick some of this off the fence. That might help. Okay, maybe that would make it better. That was really, I'm gonna walk around this whole fence a minute. Just kind of make sure we're staying hot. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay, that's a 6.4, 6.5. So that was probably grounding it out a little bit. Okay. Yeah. So, sorry I didn't bring you something, Missy. I just wanted to make sure you're staying safe. Okay. Gonna have to move you tomorrow, rain or shine, it looks like, huh? Yep. Okay, guys. I'll check her again tonight. But looks like we're gonna have to move her tomorrow because she's got that paddock basically done. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. And hopefully we'll get some sun that can come through these clouds and charge our chargers better. So, so that was basically grounded out a little bit. And that's why I was getting such a low number. So check those fences. It's one thing about pigs, you got to check it because they're going to check it. They're going to check it and make sure it's, still nice and hot. She's been really good about it, to be honest, though. So, thank you for watching today. God bless and stay dry. Bye.